Tele-verification is mandatory as per regulatory norms. Please keep the documents submitted for new connection handy to verify your number. Please enter your OTP or one-time password for this transaction. Please enter the last 4 digits of your Aadhaar card. Please enter your 4-digit year of birth mentioned by you while filling up the form for a new number. For example, if your date of birth is 7th July 1981, then enter 1981 on the IVR. Government has mandated customer consent for activating internet on your phone. To continue enjoying internet and using WhatsApp, Facebook, etc., press 1. Else, press 2. Your number is successfully tele-verified with internet consent and it will be activated within 15 minutes. Thank you for calling Vodafone Care.